Hi there, this is Aaron from Checkfront, and today I just want to show you our notifications and how to use email variables. Let's go to Manage Notifications. From here, pick a notification you'd like to edit, and we'll take a look at the left side here called Email Variables. Now, there are a lot of different email variables that you can add to the messages of your notifications. As you can see here, there is the company name, customer name, and booking information. To add them in, simply click on the one you'd like, copy and paste, and add it to your message. In this case, I will be replacing the invoice with just the booking ID. We can take a look at my changes by hitting the live preview here. As you can see, it now populates that email variable with the booking ID. We also have other ways to add different types of fields within your messages. Let's go to Manage Layout, and let's take a look at your booking form. If you have any custom booking form fields in here, what you can do is you can hit the edit button and take the ID of the field. We can use this ID to create an email variable of your own. Let's go back to notifications. From here, what we'll do is we'll add in this section here, add in our new ID, and let's take a look. And as you can see at the very bottom there, it added the postal code. If you do have any further questions, please just let us know at support@checkfront.com. Thank you so much. Have a good one.